The delivery truck pulls away and you are left holding a box that promised you the world for $30. It is a seductive offer that pulls at our desire for a bargain, especially when it involves beauty products. The marketing team claims you are getting $60 worth of value. It sounds like a complete steal, a way to hack the system and get luxury for less. But we need to look much closer at what is actually happening inside that cardboard. Once you slice through the tape, the reality starts to settle in. You are not seeing full-size bottles of premium skincare. You are looking at a collection of miniatures, tiny travel sizes, and samples that feel like they belong in a high-end hotel bathroom. It is a mix of stuff for your hair, your face, and maybe a little makeup. Some of these names you will recognize. Others are total mysteries that you have never heard of. This is where the value starts to feel a bit stretchy, like a rubber band pulled to its absolute limit. Calling a tiny sample a $20 value is a classic move. It is the oldest trick in the retail handbook. It is not exactly a scam, but it is definitely some very creative accounting. If you are someone who lives for the mystery of a surprise, then maybe this works for you. There's a genuine dopamine hit that comes from the unboxing process. Opening that lid and finding a new serum or a little mascara can be a nice moment. It is a little gift for yourself. But we have to be real for a second. You are paying $30 for things you might never have actually looked for on your own. You are essentially paying for the privilege of being a product tester. Many of these items will end up at the very back of your cabinet. They will sit there collecting dust until you finally decide to toss them. Or maybe the shade of that lip tint just does not work for you. So it goes straight into the garbage. You have to ask yourself a serious question. Is the excitement of the surprise worth the price of the plastic? If you go in expecting full-size premium bottles at half price, you are going to be disappointed. That is not what this is. It is a curated experience, not a clearance sale. You are buying the feeling of receiving a present. You are buying the chance to try a brand without spending $60 on a single item. But you are also paying for a lot of stuff you might just throw away. The value is subjective. It depends on how much you love the unboxing and how much you hate clutter. For some, it is a $30 mistake. For others, it is a $30 adventure. Just keep your eyes wide open. Look past the bright colors and the bold claims. And remember that the company usually wins these deals. It is a little game of beauty roulette. And sometimes you find a gem. But often you just end up with a very expensive pile of tiny bottles that you do not really need. Keep your expectations low and your skepticism high. $30 can go a long way if you spend it on one thing you actually love. Instead of 5 things you might just tolerate, think about your routine. Think about your space. And don't let a flashy advertisement convince you that you are saving money when you are really just spending it on miniatures. Stay smart, keep your vanity clutter-free, and always check the math